Mass timber construction has gained significant traction in recent years as a sustainable alternative to traditional building materials like steel and concrete. However, as this innovative approach becomes more mainstream, several challenges and limitations related to building physics must be addressed. These challenges encompass acoustics, fire performance, moisture management, and thermal performance, which can impact the overall effectiveness of mass timber structures. One of the primary challenges associated with mass timber is sound transmission. Unlike denser materials such as steel or concrete, wood has a lower density, which can lead to inadequate sound insulation. This often necessitates over-dimensioning the structure or incorporating additional denser materials to improve acoustic performance. For instance, adding layers of concrete or gypsum-based products to mass timber floors can enhance sound insulation significantly. Despite these solutions fixing the sound transmission challenges, the aesthetic appeal of exposed wood may be compromised, as these finishes can obscure the natural beauty of timber. Fire safety is a critical concern for mass timber structures. Although mass timber exhibits some fire-resistant properties, such as charring that protects the inner core during a fire, research is still ongoing and essential to fully understand its behavior under fire conditions. In some cases, over-dimensioning of structural elements is required to meet safety standards. Furthermore, finishes such as intumescent coatings or gypsum board encapsulation may be necessary to enhance fire resistance. Another significant issue is the cooling phase after a fire. Structural integrity can be compromised during this phase due to potential thermal weakening. Moisture management presents another challenge in mass timber structures. Wood is hygroscopic, meaning it can absorb and release moisture depending on the environmental conditions. This characteristic necessitates the careful control of humidity in a building to prevent issues such as rot, fungi, and mold. On top of this, the structural integrity of the components can also be compromised due to swelling, shrinking, twisting, or warping of the elements. Effective moisture management strategies must be implemented during both the construction and occupancy phases to maintain the longevity and structural integrity of mass timber buildings. Finally, thermal performance can also be a concern for mass timber buildings. While wood generally has good insulating properties, thermal bridging can occur at connections between different materials or elements. This can lead to condensation risks, and it can also affect energy efficiency. As the construction industry continues to evolve and innovate, overcoming the challenges and limitations we mentioned in this video will be essential for realizing the full potential of mass timber to create efficient, safe, and aesthetically pleasing buildings. Just like the mind map with all of the benefits of mass timber, we now also have a mind map with the challenges and limitations of mass timber. Go over to the TimberTalk Patreon page to become a member and download the mind map for free.
Stay informed, stay inspired. TimberTalk.